Today, after quite a long break, I am making some design soap because I have been doing the simple soaps on the videos lately. So this is a time to start making new batches of soap for the winter and autumn time. And the first one is my classical design of the Sandal Rose, and with the sandalwood powder, the red sandalwood powder and white sandalwood powder, and rose clay and little bit of zinc oxide. So, and also the essential oils is rose and geranium and cedar and sandal and citronella. So this is my classic soap. I will not describe the details because I have done it before. I will link the my old video with the Sandal Rose soap down below in the description. So enjoy the process.